Hello everyone, greeting from La Cala de Mijas. This is Santiago Realtor, and today we are going to visit a very special location. This place back in the 60s used to be just a fisherman's village, and it's completely transformed into a very beautiful place. We are going to explain how this place was completely transformed. We're going to visit a couple of properties for sale. We are going to talk about developers and the most demanded location for golfers. We're going to see it straight away. How La Cala became so international, we can see it walking by the streets that there are plenty of expats and not that many locals. La Cala became so popular during the 20th century because mainly there were a lot of British investors, big British companies who started to buy plots and build golf courses. That was the time when La Cala Golf Resort was built. It's the biggest golf resort of Spain nowadays. And these British companies had contracts and collaborations with British agencies. So initially the British started to come and they started to develop as well the lands, golf courses. There are more than 10 golf courses in the surroundings of La Cala. We have Calanova, we have Santana Golf, Chaparral Golf was one of the latest that was built, and even in La Cala Resort, which is the biggest golf resort we have in Spain. The British, we all know, they are very famous for being golf lovers, and that's a great combination, right? Being golf and being next to the beach was a big attractive thing to have, and incredible prices, so the city started to boost. It's not actually a city. The population of La Cala even nowadays is barely 5,000 people, but because it's so demanded, it's growing very fast. Something very special about La Cala is that even when there is a big expat community in this location, we still keep the original traditional Spanish vibe in this area. You can still get your café con leche from the local Jose. The kind of real estate you find in La Cala de Mijas is a little bit special. These traditional Spanish townhouses with the tiles, traditional style decoration, the way we do it. All these flower pots you find in the street, in public places, they're not privately owned. It belongs to the town hall. The tourism is one of the main activities that you have in La Cala de Mijas. That's why they need to make sure that it looks beautiful and always perfectly care. So all these plants and all these flower pots belongs to the town hall. They water it every single day. Right next to the town hall, what we have is this new part of La Cala de Mijas. In this location, what you find is like modern style real estate. I remember that in 2021, I was one of the first people who visited the Key Ready project Jardinana. Also, I had a client in Casa Banderas. It was a project from the developer Via Celere. This area is probably one of the locations of Costa del Sol who grows fastest because it was also quite small, and one of the areas that you can get the higher capital gain. My client who bought in Casa Bandera off plan, he got a 3-bedroom apartment around 300,000. Nowadays, that property is close to 500,000 in market value. One of the big things about this area is all the golf you have around. In La Cala de Mijas, there are more than 10 golf courses, including the biggest golf resort we have in Spain, La Cala Resort, where we are standing right now. This place was bought by an Irish company back in the 90s, and they developed the hotel with the spa, with this clubhouse here and the restaurant. This Irish company made an agreement with one of the biggest and the oldest British developers, Taylor Wimpey. And with Taylor Wimpey, we have plenty of construction in this area. Taylor Wimpey built Harmony over there. They were the ones who built Solana Village, which is now under construction. A new 2 more phases are coming. Let's have a look to one of the properties that we can find in La Cala Resort. Phase 1 of the project Solana Village from Taylor Wimpey. Taylor Wimpey is a great developer. I think it's one of the most popular developers we have in this area. They catch very well the demand of their buyers. It's an open plan living room with American kitchen, big sliding doors with access to the terrace. Taylor Wimpey is not the only one investing here. Wyndham is one of big hotel chains from the US, and Taylor Wimpey is from the UK, and also some other Spanish developers, including myself. Me and my partner, we bought a plot, Frontline Golf, and we are developing a modern style 3-bedroom villas in front of the golf course Asia. This is a best place where you can get one of the best capital gains in Costa del Sol, and the proof is that I did it for myself as well. If you are interested in buying a real estate in La Cala de Mijas, I'm a local realtor. I live here and I work in this area. So feel free to contact me with the link in the description so I can book an online meeting and answer all your questions, okay? Bye then, see you in the next video.